We honor our military members today because the American financial system would not be possible without their constant protection. Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments is with us now. And Joe, we have to mention the resilience of the U.S. stock market.
Yeah, it is. It is amazing to look at the history. You're just looking at the Dow Jones since it began, the S&P 500 since it began, and more recently the Nasdaq. But it's just amazing. It is kind of unique around the world to see this continued growth, and it seemingly never ending. Now, a lot to do with just the fact that America is admired around the world, and people want to invest here.
Joe, what is your best defensive play in the stock market, especially when stocks get so high?
Yeah, so I am a portfolio manager. I'm a hedged equity strategy manager, of course. So now a lot of people talk about hedged equity and they talk about insurance that people pay to protect the downside. When we talk about the U.S. market, though, we expect the market to be higher over time, as I do. The insurance has to do more than just to protect the downside, because a long-term investor can just buy and hold. For me, I like playing the market that when it goes lower, I expect it to return higher. So I like to actually have the tools in my toolbox to buy the market back when it goes down. So I think that's the best way to do it. And otherwise, just hold on for the long ride.
One of my favorite mantras that you mentioned on our show is get rich slowly. And that is great advice for investors who have to be on the defensive at all times from getting scammed by get rich quick schemes.
Well, get rich slowly, get rich more consistently, increase the probability of the fact that you will get rich, just playing the percentages and playing it over time. It's amazing the amount of people I've seen in this business that have the FOMO, have their eyes on the prize maybe, and they want to just chase that dream. Where, sure, they might get rich quickly. There's a very low probability of that. But if they just waited and they just played it smart, there's a very high probability we can get rich slowly.
Great trader talk. Thanks so much, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.